A very blessed good day, dear partners and guests in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world na naaabot po ng ating Zoom webinar. Alam niyo naman sa panahon natin ngayon, wala nang imposible. Ano mang sulok ng mundo, north, south, east, west, ay kaya pong abutin ng ating pong LifeMax Global Incorporated Zoom webinar. So, once again, welcome to LifeMax Global Incorporated, featuring our world-class game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by Seabuck Thorn as its hero ingredient. So before we introduce to you our distinguished speaker, let me share to you how fearfully and wonderfully our human body is made of. As we dive into our immune system, the following are all parts of our body's defense network, especially the lymphatic system. In the primary or hospital care, we have doctors and specialists to diagnose, treat our physical ailments. But since the creation of the world, God had already gave us the so-called little doctors of our bodies. Alam niyo po ba that our body has little doctors? And these little doctors are the unsung heroes of our body because they perform some serious skills inside of us that we cannot see. The first doctor is our white blood cells or WBC. Our white blood cells is our body's defense team fighting off infections and diseases. The second doctor is our red blood cells. Our red blood cells is the oxygen delivery experts carrying oxygen to all parts of the body. The third doctor is our platelets. Our platelets is the body's repair crew, helping to heal wounds and stop the bleeding. The fourth doctor is our neurons. Our neurons is the brain's messengers transmitting signals and making us think, learn, and move. And the fifth doctor is our stem cells. Our stem cells is the body's renovation team, repairing and regenerating damaged cells, tissues, and organs. All these little doctors work 24/7 to keep us healthy and functioning. Sila po yung nagtatrabahong walang humpay, trabahong kalabaw, araw at gabi sa ating pong katawan. And with these five components and little doctors alone, we deem that our body is truly amazing, wonderfully and fearfully made by the Almighty God who created you and me. Sabi nga po, it is in the Lord that we live and we move and we have our being. Thank God with our game-changing product, Life Protect, with its hero ingredient, sea buckthorn, will feed, nourish, supplement, protect, upgrade, and balance our immune system. And the little doctors inside our body, ang kanilang trabaho is to work efficiently 24/7 to keep us healthy, functioning, alive, and well. So sa Diyos po ang papuri. And now we come to our exciting presentation, our product and compensation plan. Our world-class speaker, especially for the first-time guest, siya po ay isang registered nurse. He graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. Malalim po ang kanyang pagnanasa na tayo maging malusog, yumaman at magbago ang antas ng ating buhay, ng ating pamilya at ng buong pamayanan. Kasabihan nga po, hindi na baling mamroblema basta may pera kaysa mamroblema ng walang pera. So kailangan tayong lumusog at magkapera para magamit sa kaluwalhatian ng Diyos sa pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan. Isa po siyang icon leader, a consistent top performer in global health and wellness industry for more than 15 years. Siya po ay naging regional stockist, a country representative, our financer. Madalas ko nga pong sinasabi, papunta pa lang ang karamihan sa atin, siya po nakasampu hanggang 15 balik-balik na po. But despite of all his achievements, he's very approachable, very humble, very kind, a down-to-earth person, at madarama po natin sa kanya ang tinatawag na tender loving care na gaya ng ating mga overseas Filipino nurses. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart na maglingkod at dahil siya ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, ay mababakas natin sa kanyang ebidensya ng isang kutis mayaman at kutis celebrity. Kung meron tayong Papa P dito po sa LifeMax, ay meron din tayong katulad ng ating idol. Ang idol ng bayan na si John Lloyd Cruz is our LifeMax Global Incorporated Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Wow! What a wonderful introduction, Coach Bernie Mariano. Grabe naman, inspired naman tayo dyan. All right, no? So once again, good more earnings sa lahat ng mga leaders na nandito ngayon sa ating live webinar Zoom. And especially sa mga leaders natin from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And also sa lahat ng mga guests po natin, no? So meron ilan po tayo ngayon? So we have 13, no? Nasa 13 po tayo. So I guess may mga bagong mga ano din, no? Mga bagong guest po tayo for today, no? So but before I'll proceed, no? Let me share to you an amazing video, no, kung saan ipapakita po natin kung ano yung sinasabi nating the most dangerous pollution o ano yung mga pollution nowadays na kung saan tayo exposed, no? So let's watch this video.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan, o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo? Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento. Mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusog na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan, na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusog na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress, at isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals, at kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagiang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon, at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw.
The most dangerous pollution is here, no? So alam natin na grabe na po yung mga existing na pollution nowadays, no? Especially yung tinatawag natin na environmental pollution or smog, no? Andyan din po yung car smoke, Then we have also industrial pollution, no, kung saan nowadays ang daming mga kumbaga mga manufacturing plant, no, kung saan bumubuga ng mga malalakas po na mga usok or pollution. And also we have this UV radiation. And nowadays, as what we have experienced, dahil po numinipis na po yung tinatawag natin na ozone layer, kaya naman po na napakainit po, no? Napakasakit ng tumatama na init sa ating katawan, no? Because of this UV radiation. And we have also another pollution na itong tinatawag natin na toxic chemicals. Kasali na po rito yung mga pagkain, lalo na mga may preservatives, no? Yung mga instant food, no, na kinakain natin, yung mga toxic chemicals. And marami pa mga junk food na which are it contains carcinogenic, no? May carcinogenic effect. Yan. And isa sa pinaka delikado na pollution po, no, na kung saan we cannot it cannot be touched, it cannot be felt, but we are exposed to this. This is called the EMF or electromagnetic frequency or radiation. And somewhat lahat po tayo ay exposed to this radiation, no? Especially dahil ito na po yung mode of communication natin. We're using cell phones. Yan. And this pollution, these are called the free radicals. And as a matter of fact, according to study, the cause of diseases, all diseases, 95% of these because of these free radicals. Yeah. And health impact of excessive exposure to free radicals, dahil po sa excessive exposure natin, around 65% increase of cancer in human beings, 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas, 35% increase of sterility and decreased fertility rates amongst men, 21% increase of brain tumor in children. Kaya napaka-alarming po, no? And around 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorders, and other chronic conditions to human. That's why ang daming studies po, research, and articles that support na too much exposure to cell phone or use of cell phone can increase the possible in cancer. So ayan, ito ang mga articles, no, na nagsusupport na talagang posibleng malaki yung epekto ng too much exposure natin sa radiation. And even WHO, sinabi pa dito, cell phone use can increase possible cancer risk. Ito, no, so gusto nating patunayan kung talaga bang may epekto yung pag-expose natin, no, sa mga cellphones, no? Then what they do sa Lund University of Sweden, kung saan they conducted an experiment, no, in a normal rat brain, no, as you have seen on the first image sa taas, no? This is the normal rat brain, kung saan normal pa, no? Ito yung normal structures ng rat brain. So ang ginawa nila, nilagay sa cage, then in communication mode, kumbaga in calling mode rather, no, 2-hour dose exposure sa rat brain, no, sa daga, no, then in 2 hours dose tinest nila uli, chinek nila uli, in-scan, and they have found out na yung normal rat brain nag-shrink, lumiit, no, ayan, as you have seen in the image. And ito yung ano din, no, kumbaga they have found out na significant signs of neuronal damage. So para may mga bukol, mga tumor sa loob ng brain rat, no? Yan. So ito ay once na talagang bombarded ka pa nito, no? Exposed ka pa nito, continuous exposure to this, no? It will lead to tumor or cancer. Yan. And if this one, ito ay nangyari or talagang umepekto or nagkaroon ng epekto sa daga, no? Ito po ay posible ding yung sa human brain ay posible ding ito ay mangyari. Yan. Did you know children are more prone to EMR or electromagnetic radiation dahil they have thinner skulls, their brain are still developing, 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumor. And alam naman natin, no, yung mga bata nowadays, no, lalo na pag nagtatantrums, no, or mismo tayo para hindi magingay or hindi kumbaga hindi maging disturbo. So, anong ginagawa natin? Binibigyan natin sila na cellphone. Yan. So, isa din po pala tayo sa contributor, no, na talagang na-expose sila sa this deadly radiation. Yan. And here's a graph kung saan it shows the radiation penetration rate. Okay? So ito pong yellow-red areas, it indicates the thermal heating or the deep penetration of radiation exposed to a human brain, no? And in the first image, as you have seen, no, this is the penetration rate of a 5-year-old, no? And as you can see, yung 5-year-old, yung radiation level ng penetration niya, it's around nasa 90 to 95% yung penetration rate nito. How about the 10-year-old? Nasa 70 to 75% yung penetration rate. And even yung adult, no, nasa 40 to 45% yung penetration rate. So, salamat dahil 40 to 45% lang sa adult. Dahil nga medyo yung skull niya mas thicker na. But of course, anong usual nating ginagawa? Every time na we're exposed or gumagamit tayo ng cellphone, as what we experience, no, yung normal experience natin, pag uminit na yung isang tenga natin, kung saan natin ginagamit during call, no, during calling mode, pag mainit na yung isang tenga natin, which is ang usual ginagawa natin, inililipat naman sa other na tenga. So, therefore, kahit na 45 dito, pag inilipat sa kabilang tenga, another 45% din. So, almost 100% din. Kaya, walang, kumaga, high risk pa rin. Ayan. Of course, ayaw natin mangyari ito, especially not with our children. But the question right now is, how will you protect yourselves against these free radicals, no? Dahil sabi ko nga kanina, ito na po yung ating mode of communication. We're using cellphone. Whether we like it or not, we're exposed to this, no? So, itong mga free radicals. Ayan. So, yun ang tanong. Meron ba tayong anything in mind that could help us to protect ourselves, no, against with these free radicals? Ayan. And good news, dahil ang ating LifeMax Global, we'd like to introduce to you our amazing, unique, game-changer product, our Life Protect. And this Life Protect is powered by a hero ingredient called the Himalayan sea buckthorn. I know somehow, yung mga iba dito, yung mga first-timer, no, this would be their first time to hear about this Himalayan sea buckthorn. By the way, Himalayan sea buckthorn, it is a rare berry from Himalayan, no? And hindi to basta-basta dahil kakaibang berry to. Dahil napaka-tindi, napaka-galing ng rare na berry na ito, no? So mamaya explain natin. And this Life Protect, it is also called the natural superfood, act as a free radical scavenger and an immunomodulator. Yan. In fact, itong ating hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, had been used by Russian and Chinese cosmonauts during 1960s, 1980s. They were supplementing their diet, no, with sea buckthorn. Okay. So Russian astronaut use sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties, especially in the harsh environment of space. Alam naman natin during sa outer space exploration, yung mga astronauts, no, they were exposed to another level of radiation. Kumbaga, kung gaano katindi yung effect ng radiation natin sa Earth, it is at 5 times or even 10 times yung level ng radiation doon sa outer space. This is called cosmic radiation, which can damage cells and increase the health risk. And however, yung Soviet scientists, no, they have found out that this sea buckthorn helps protect and neutralize the body from radiation exposure. So napakagaling, napakatindi ng hero ingredient we have in our Life Protect, the sea buckthorn. So since it had been discovered that it is packed with compounds that fight free radicals, harmful molecules produced by radiation and stress. So in space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress. So this is crucial for them. So they need this one. So sea buckthorn contains high vitamin C, carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamin E. These act as an antioxidant, helping prevent cell damage, aging, immune system support, heart and blood health, tissue repair, and healing. And aside from this benefit na pwede natin ma-enjoy sa ating Life Protect, especially sa ating hero ingredient na sea buckthorn, na it would help against protection against free radicals, it is also contains another ito ay maraming ding benefit na pwede nating ma-enjoy, no? So, I would like to show you a video kung saan ipapakita po natin kung ano po yung mga ibang benefit na pwedeng makuha sa ating hero ingredient na sea buckthorn. So, let's watch this.
Alam nyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang sea buckthorn o Hippophae rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hinduan Mountains, Caucasus at Siberia. At alam nyo ba? Ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang sea buckthorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada, at United States. Ang sea buckthorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6, ngunit ang pinakanatatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay critical sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, git pa sa taba. Kunurin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan at may malaking pangako para sa ating kinabukasan.
Wow! So sa ating hero ingredient pala na sea buckthorn, talagang napakagaling nito, no? So aside from our hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, it contains another 27 active ingredients, no? So it contains 12 fruits, seeds, and gut supporting sources. Yan. So Kaya kakaiba yung ating Life Protect. So ano po yung mga ingredients na i-infuse, no? Naka-infuse sa ating Life Protect. So these are the other ingredients, active ingredients. We have blueberry, we have gooseberry, we have camu berry, blackberry, bilberry, acai berry, goji berry, and these are super berries that are high in polyphenols, anthocyanins, no? Mga antioxidants, and it contains also anti-inflammatory properties, no? Anti-tumor, anti-cancer, and also it contains a B complex kung saan maganda po ito sa mga nerves, mga ugat, no? Sa maliliit at malalaking ugat. Yan. And aside from these berries, no, it has also a pink grapefruit. Yung pink grapefruit natin, it helps to boost metabolism and aids weight management, immunity, and natural detoxifier. Yan. So we have also marigold flower kung saan it contains high in lutein, good for the eyes, no? So sunflower seeds have vitamin E for cell protection, heart and skin, and inflammation support. And we have this amazing ingredient, no, na nakapapaloob po sa ating Life Protect. Itong ingredient natin that came from Japan, the nattokinase. And itong nattokinase natin, no, kumbaga it acts as a blood thinner kung saan kung malalapot yung dugo, kung mayroong mga lalapot na dugo, no, so it microcluster, no, na it will promote good circulation and it unclogs the blood clots, no. So napakaganda ito lalo na sa mga mayroong kumbaga naka-experience na ng stroke or may mga problems or mga signs in heart attack and others, no, sa mga aneurysm. So ayan, napakaganda po ito, gandang ingredient na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect, no. So we have also chicory root, bifidobacteria, lactobacillus. So we have also probiotics, prebiotics, postbiotics na napaloob sa ating Life Protect. Yan. And of course, ang ating one and only na hero ingredient, no, na napakatindi, no? Itong ating sea buckthorn, which contains omega-3, omega-6, the rare omega-7 and omega-9 that helps improve skin health, support immunity, enhance heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects and anti-cancer. So the anti-tumor activity of the sea buckthorn can attribute to bioactive compounds, particularly phenolic compounds such as flavonoids, including the campyrol, quercetin, and ensoremnetin. This protects cells from oxidative damage that can lead to genetic mutation and to cancer. So, syempre, of course, prevention is better than cure. So that's why with this Life Protect, it helps to prevent and to protect us to experience or to expose to this itong mga klaseng-klaseng sakit. Yan. And as we all know, itong ating katawan, we are made up of our natural stem cell, no? So yung natural stem cell natin, ito po yung tawag natin na repair kit. However, as we age, no, ito po ay nagde-deteriorate at humihina po yung production ng ating natural stem cell. Kaya naman because of this, mas mahina na yung slow na yung healing process or mahina yung fast na yung aging process natin, no? Then mahina na yung restoration sa ating katawan. But ito yung kagandahan dahil according to study and research, no, at talagang tinest nila, they have found out na yung ating hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn, helps to enhance the natural stem cell inside our body. In fact, they conducted a test to several patients, no, at kinuha na nila ng productivity level or production level or baseline sa production level ng natural ng kanilang natural stem cell. So then ang nangyari, as what they do is they check without taking first the C factor, no? Kinuha nila yung baseline ng production level ng natural stem cell. Then after taking the C factor extract, they have found out na yung productivity level or yung production or yung movement ng selective mobilization of different stem cell types had been increased, no, after taking or consuming the C buckthorn extract. So we have progenitor stem cells taas yung production level, yung potential stem cell, yan, endothelial stem cell, tumaas, stem cell, mesenchymal stem cell, ayan. So therefore, pag yung ating natural stem cell bumilis at nagdami yung production level, so kaya ito ay tumutulong na yung function ng ating natural stem cell ay ibalik, no? So mas mabilis yung healing process sa ating katawan, cell regeneration, cell restoration, cell repair, no? So kaya napakaganda itong ating Life Protect. Yan. So ano yung mga major benefits ng ating Life Protect? So we have repairs damaged cells, DNA protection, mitochondrial protection, antioxidant defense, balanced immunity, supports cardiovascular health, supports hormonal balance, promotes digestive health, enhanced metabolism, enhanced sleep quality, rejuvenates skin and slow aging process, boosts collagen production, promotes stem cell production, enhanced brain function, brain calming, helps managing diabetes, helps regulates blood pressure, promotes eye health, liver support, kidney support, prevent prostate issues, helps thyroid and goiter problem, helps relieve arthritis and rheumatism, helps vertigo, aids in constipation, and others. Siguro kung wala dito, no, hinahanap nyo sakit, so nandyan sa others. Yan. So, we have some example testimonials, no, product testimonials, no. Itong first testimonials, no, ito ay from Luzon, no. Female po ito. Ang nangyari sa kanya, meron siyang sugat na hindi talaga gumagaling na for 3 months na, no, hindi siya gumagaling, no. So dahil ito ay yung kaniyang sugar level ay umabot ng 250. So in that manner, talagang hindi gumagaling yung kaniyang sugat. After a week time taking the Life Protect from 250, it reduces from 115. Wow. So, and in this manner, no, kaya yung sugat niya ay naghilom, no? Kumbaga, there's a healing effect, no? So, kaya napakaganda ng ating produkto. Yan. Continuous taking ito, no, after a week time. So, ito yung naging magandang result, no? So, dito naman sa kabila, no, kumbaga ito naman siya ay may hypertensive, no, high blood pressure, no. It had been happened on March 31, no, bago lang po, no. So wala po siyang tinitake na iba, hindi po ito kumbaga hindi po siya hypertensive, kumbaga tumaas lang kanyang blood pressure, no. So hindi pa po siya diagnosed na hypertensive or somewhat wala siyang maintenance na tinitake, no. So yun, no, as he found out na talagang medyo may problema sa katawan niya, he checked his BP and he found out na tumaas from 145 over 90, no. So after taking the Life Protect, no, in just a matter of ilang minutes, no, 4 minutes like that, no, from 145 bumaba ng 139 over 85. Yan, no. And after 45 minutes, no, from 145 naging 139, then naging 122 over 78. So hanggang nag-normalize ang kaniyang blood pressure. Wow. So ito po ay mga common na mga problems, no, na tayo ay kung saan na i-experience natin, no. Ayan. So isa yan sa mga sample testimonies na talagang natulungan ng ating Life Protect. Yan. So, itong lahat ng ito ay hindi po mangyayari or hindi po mapoformulate no? Hindi po ito, kumbaga, hindi po ito ay lumabas kung wala itong ating biochemist, our research scientist, our product formulator, our science educator, our CEO, no other than Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas. By the way, si Dr. Lalaine po ay connected po sa isang laboratory testing, no, sa international, sa Canada. So sila po yung sila po yung nasa international regulatory compliance. Kung mayroon kayong mga produkto or somehow nasa mga pharmaceuticals, no, or mga formulation na gusto nyong ipatest, no, kung ito pa po ay pasado ba, no, so sa kanila po dinadaan yan to check it out kung pasado sa US FDA, Health Canada, or etc. Yan, kaya we're very blessed, and it is our edge as a company to have our own biochemists, our own research scientists, and product formulator. And people behind the company, we have also our COO, Sir Edward Felicitas, the husband of Dr. Lalaine, and me myself, the CMO, Gerson Pareño, and my partner here, Carol Grace Pareño. So we're both nurses, no? So dito sa LifeMax Global, halos kami dito is nasa medical field po. Yan. So kaya ang pinaka objective po namin, no? So we want to live life to its maximum potential. Ayan. Okay, so company product legalities, ito po, no, LifeMax Global Network, we have our SEC, we have our license to operate, FDA license to operate, then we have our halal certification sa ating manu. Yan. So, how much? Magkano po itong ating Life Protect? By the way, I will present to you or share to you the prices of our Life Protect. Our Life Protect somewhat is this is a powder extract, no? So mas prepare namin na we make it as a powder extract form compared to capsule, no? So since yung capsule kasi hindi natin alam, yung capsule may mga capsule kasi na hindi madaling matunaw, no? Ayan, especially pag may problema sa kidney. Whereas itong ating Life Protect, no? Ito po ay a powder extract kung saan it will fastly absorb in our body. So 90 to 95% absorption, then directly to our bloodstream, and kidney safe po siya. So yung ating Life Protect, ang isang sachet po niyan, 3,000 milligrams. So therefore, para ka rin uminom ng 6 na kapsula. Dahil alam naman natin yung every capsule, 500 milligrams yan. So ito, 3,000 milligrams, it is equivalent to 6 capsule. Yung isang sachet nito. Para ka nang uminom na 6 na kapsula. And ang edge pa nito, dahil ito ay all natural, pure, concentrated talaga siya. No? Okay, so ang isang box natin, meron siyang 14 sachet. So ang equivalent nito, kung sa capsule, para ka na rin uminom sa buong box nito, around 84 capsule. Ayan, so I just emphasize it, no, sa capsule dahil yung iba kasi kinukumpare nila, sinasabi nila mas affordable ang capsule kasi hindi nila na internalize kung ano yung yung ratio or equivalent niya, no? So since ito ay 3,000 milligrams, yung mga capsule is 500 milligrams, kaya dito nakapapaloob sa ating Life Protect na mas marami siya, mas marami yung ma-enjoy natin. Yan. Okay, so the question right now is how much, no? Ang isang box ng ating Life Protect, sabi nga ni Doktora, kung ating kung ating yung mga ingredients, no, ang mga component na napapaloob sa ating Life Protect ay hindi po basta-basta. Premium po ito na galing sa iba't ibang bansa. Like for example, yung ating Himalayan sea buckthorn, no, from Himalaya, no. We have also a lot of berries na galing sa Europe, no? Yung gooseberry, camu berry nasa India, no? Then we have also our nattokinase na galing sa Japan. So kaya naman kung tutuusin, sabi nga ni Doc Lalaine, no? this Life Protect, we have no with Life Max, no, we could price this one as much as 11,200 dahil sa kaniyang formulation at napapaloob na mga ingredient. But of course, we didn't do that dahil gusto namin na mas maraming makapatry, maraming makapag-benefit, maraming makapag-enjoy. So kaya instead of pricing this one for 11,200, we just price this one for 2,500 lang po. Yan. Yun ka ganda, ganun kagilig at very affordable talaga siya. So for only 2,500, automatically member ka na as you purchase for your personal consumption. Yan. Okay, so make money with LifeMax Global. How to be a business associate? So here in LifeMax Global, as you purchase, no, automatically you will be a member. So no registration fee po tayo. Just simply purchase product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. No quota or mandatory maintenance. Wala pong quota. Wala pong maintenance. No? Business with no boundaries because we are global. We could market this. We could market our product all over the world. No, real-time commission, daily payout, generous compensation program. Okay, unlimited income potential. And claim products every renewal once capping is reached, free trainings and support system, new fit pair, trip incentive, and travel rewards. Yan. So our offer, we offer premium products, ultimate plan, rewards, and bonuses. No? So as a LifeMax Global Business Associate, you can be any of the following. You could be a consumer, you could be an entrepreneur, or both. You could be a consumer and entrepreneur. Yan. So how to become a business associate? To get started with LifeMax Global, just purchase any of the following 5 business packages. These are the options, no? So first, we have 1 box. Ito po ay tawag nito ay Light Pack. Yan. We have Core Pack, 2 boxes. We have Pro Pack, 4 boxes. We have Master Pack, 16 boxes. And we have Infinity Pack, 40 boxes. Yan. So we have a program here in LifeMax Global. Kahit na Light Pack ka lang, you will have a chance to become an Infinity Pack. Mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo. Yan. So, 5 ways to earn lang po tayo, no? Yan. So, walang kuskus balungos para at least ma-enjoy natin agad yung mga commission. So, first commission, we have outright commission. The suggested retail price of our Life Protect, no? Life Max, 2,500 per box. So, member price nito is 2,100. So, automatically, meron kang 400 agad. So, pag ikaw po ay member na, every time you refer, no, meron kang outright na 400. You sell it at 2,500. Then, you will enjoy a commission of 400. Yan. So, how about kung kurpak ka? So, may 2 box ka. Pag nabenta mo yan, times 400, meron kang 800. So, direct sales profit in peso, no? So, pag pro pack ka, 4 times 400, meron kang 1,600. Pag master ka, 16 boxes po yun. Times 400, meron kang 6,400. Pag infinity ka, 40 boxes times 400, meron kang 16,000. Yan. So, referral commission based on the package. So, pag light pack ka, 20%, meron kang $4 every box. So, kapag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, so that's 40 bucks. So, $4 times 40, you have a chance to earn $160. So, pag core pack ka naman, 25%. So, every box, meron kang $5. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, so 5 times 40, that's $200. Pag pro pack ka naman, 30%, $6 per every box. So pag nakapag-refer ka ng 40 bucks, 6 times 40, that's 240. Then pag master pack ka, $7. Pag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, 40 times $7, that's 280. And ito yung goal, no? Na maging infinity pack. Kasi pag once you are infinity pack, you'll be enjoying a 40% referral bonus in based on the point value. So mayroon kang $8 per box. So kapag nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, no? So then infinity din yan yung account mo. So 8 times 40, you will have a chance to earn $320. Okay. So on our third way to earn, binary bonus plan. So by the way, we are a computer-generated system. So nothing to worry, nothing to yung kumbaga hindi na necessary na ikaw pa mag-calculate, automatic system na yan. So every time ma-detect sa system na mayroon kang isang box sa left, isang box sa right, you will have $4 for your binary plan. Like for example, may nag-join sa iyo na isang light pack or $1 on the left, light pack on the right or $1 on the right, there's a match $4. Pag core pack naman, $2 on the left, $2 on the right, 2 matches, 4 times 2, that's $8. Pag pro pack in the left, pro pack in the right, $4 on the left, $4 on the right, there's a 4 match, 4 times 4, that's $16. Pag master naman, $16 on the left, $16 on the right, you will earn $64. Pag infinity pack ka, $40 on the left, $40 on the right, you will earn $160. Ayan. So, ang kagandahan dito, kahit na light pack sa kabila, then infinity sa kabila, so there's a match also, one account, one match, then the remaining will be waiting, no? Strong leg retention. Ayan. So, binary income potential sa ating ito po yung maximum na pwede nating kitain, no? Like for example, kung light account ka, ang maximum na pwede mong kitain is $300 sa 21,000 peso. Pag core account ka is $600 sa 42,000 peso. Pag pro account ka is 3,600 or 250,000 peso. Pag master ka is 7,200 or 504,000 peso. Pag infinity ka, $12,000 or 840,000 peso. The question right now is, kailan nyo po ito pwedeng kitain? Monthly po ba ito? Weekly? Yes, it could be per week. It could be per day. It could be per hour. Or it could be per minute. So, ganyan po siya kagandahan. So, how to upgrade my account? Ito yung kagandahan, no? Yan. So, take note. Every time na mayroon po tayong income, 10% of our income will be automatically deducted and it will be segregated going to your upgrade wallet. Yan, upgrade wallet. Okay? So, paano po ito? Like for example, light account ka. Ang maximum na pwede mong kitain sa light account mo is $300. Pag na-accumulate mo na yung $300, nakasegregate automatically yung 10% mo na $30. So, what you will do is just click it, claim the product. So, meron kang product niya. After you click this one, meron kang another $1, no? $1 ka dyan. Then, your light account will be upgraded to core account. Yan. So, core account. Then, eto kagandahan. Every time you upgrade, of course, si upline, kikita din, aakyat yung referral bonus. Pag nasa weak leg ka pa na nag-upgrade, may bangga pa si upline. May pairing bonus pa siya. Yan. So, kung core account, ang maximum naman nito is $600. Ang nakasegregate agad dito is $60. So, yung $60, i-click mo na naman yan. Meron kang 2 boxes. As you click, no? You claim the 2 boxes and from core account, magiging pro account ka. Then, of course, same manner, si upline tatanggap na naman ng 2 box na referral bonus. Yan. At kung nasa weak leg pa, may bangga pa na 2 beses din. Ayan. So, kung income cap na naman, yung itong pro account natin is 3,600. So, meron kang $360 na nakasegregate. So, pag-click mo niyan, meron kang 12 boxes. Then, of course, from pro account, magiging master account na. So, in this manner, akyat naman yung referral bonus, papunta naman kay upline. Ayan. Master account, 7,200. Nakasegregate na naman dyan yung 720. This time, 24 boxes ang pwede mo maklaim. So, sa iyo na yung 24 boxes. From master account, magiging infinity account ka na. So, aakyat naman yung kay upline yung referral bonus, no, etc. Then, yung mga pairing pa. So, dito, as what I have said earlier, kahit na light account ka lang, walang ibang pupuntahan. Every time you build, once na you build your network, as you grow your income, no, automatically ma-upgrade yung account mo into infinity. Yan. So the power of 3 global accounts, okay? So here in Lifebox Global, we are allowed to have a maximum of 3 accounts. So here in Lifebox Global, pwede po kayong mag-start ng 3 Lite. You can start also with 3 Core, 3 Pro, 3 Master, or even 3 Infinity. So it's up to you then to decide. So as what I have said kanina, kahit na light ka lang, kahit na itong 3 light mo, walang ibang pupuntahan ito. Kung baga, it will upgrade to 3 Infinity. But it's up to you then kung saan mo gustong umpisahan. Ayan. So, how about, example na lang, assuming, nag-umpisa kayo dahil gusto niyong, kumbaga, umpisahan itong Life Max Global natin to the next level. So, you purchase or you entry 3 accounts with 3 infinity package. Example, assuming 3 infinity package. So what you will do is just get 4 leaders na magkuha din ng tatlong infinity. Yan. So I would like to show you a graph or a potential income if ito po ay ating na-duplicate, no? So what you need to do is just get 4 leaders, no? Assuming may 3 infinity account ka, you need to get 4 leaders na they will also do the same 3 infinity account din. No, on the level 1, pag nakumpleto mo yung 4 na nagtatatlong infinity, this time you have a potential income of 3,200 or 224,000 peso. So, level 1, yung 4 mo naging 16. This time, yung 16 infinity, you will have a chance to earn 3,840, 268,800. Yung 16, they duplicate themselves, no? Nagkuha din ng 4-4, they will become 64. And this time, ang kita mo dito is 7,680 or 537,600. From 64, naging 256. So you will earn a potential income of 50,360 or 1 million. Then from 256, naging 1,024. Then this time, you have an earning of 30,720 or 2.1 million. Then 1,024, naging 4,096. This time around, meron kang 61,440 or 4.3 million. So dito pa lang sa level 6, you have a chance to earn in a total of 8.5 million. So hindi lang po dyan kumbaga naghihinto, kumbaga down the line po yan. Yan. Okay, so malapit na tayo, no? So fourth way to earn, we have this repurchase program. Okay, so repurchase program natin, instead of using unilevel, we use the redundant binary. Bakit? No? So, para wala ng maintenance. Okay. Etong redundant binary natin, how it works, no? So, every time mag-purchase po tayo ng produkto, mayroon siyang equivalent na code. Yung code na yon ay pwede nating i-encode ng panibagong pangalan or bagong member or pwede mo ring i-encode sa sarili mong account. So that ito po yun ang tinatawag natin is repurchase, no? So i-repurchase mo sa account mo. So like for example, meron kang isang light account na package sa inventory mo. So what you will do is ni-repurchase mo. So yung referral bonus or $8 niyan, since infinity ka, $8, hindi po aakyat sa upline niyan. So papasok yan sa sarili mong dashboard, no? So it will generate to your own dashboard. So ang question right now is, how about sa upline? Anong kikitain na upline? Since every time mag-repurchase ka, meron yung point value na papasok sa account mo. 20 point value. So yung 20 point value, aakyat yan ngayon kay upline. Ito yung kagandahan. Once na ikaw ay nag-repurchase, ikaw po yung downline, nag-repurchase ka, ngayon si upline ay nasa weak leg kayo, no? So si upline ngayon ay may strong leg. So yung points na aakyat kay upline, magmamatch ngayon yon or babangga sa strong leg ni upline. So there's a match. So here in Life Max Global, every time may new member, meron kang pairing. Every time may mag-upgrade, magka-pairing ka. Every time mag-repurchase, pwede ka rin mag-pairing. Kaya here in Life Max Global, you will be enjoying the redundant binary. Yan. So, how about kung 3 accounts ka? Like for example, and this one, this next scenario, no? So, like for example, account 3 mo is a strong leg. So, yung account 2 mo, nandun yung weak leg. So, syempre, doon ka sa weak leg mag-repurchase. So, nag-repurchase ka ng infinity package, no? So, akyat ngayon yung referral bonus mo na $320 plus may bangga ka pa na pairing bonus na $160. Ayan. So here in repurchase program, referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. Referral bonus depends on the entry package. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under your network makes a repurchase. Ayan. Okay, payout percentage, cash out 80%, capping 10%, redemption 10%. Yung redemption naman, pwede mo ma-claim or ma-convert mo yan ng produkto. Since we want na every members, every distributors, na talagang ano tayo, we will be a product of our own product. So hindi lang yung magaling tayo magbenta, but we also we are also maintaining our product, no? Yan. So last but not the least, itong fifth way to earn natin, leadership bonus reward. So itong leadership bonus reward natin, on top na lang to. Actually, sa 4 ways to earn pa lang natin, panalong-panalo na. Sa leadership bonus reward natin, no, ang mangyayari nito, okay? So sa leadership bonus reward, accumulative ito, walang time frame, walang reset, kaya mai-enjoy mo talaga. Yan. Okay? So, Quartz Ambassador, sa leadership bonus natin, base po ito sa accumulation income. Okay? So, on top na itong kita. So, na-enjoy mo na yung 2,500 or kita nito, plus may add-on ka pa. Add-on na itong leadership bonus reward. Okay, so, yung leadership bonus reward natin, accumulation income, 2,500. From 2,500, meron ka lang dalawang Infinity Direct, kahit na nag-umpisa yan sa Lite. So, this time, you will be ranked as a Quartz Ambassador. Mayroon kang smartphone or any gadget worth 15,000. From 2,500, naging 3,000, 4,000, naging 5,000. This time, you will be ranked as an amenities builder, 6 Infinity Direct, local travel incentive, 4 days and 3 nights, going to El Nido, Palawan. Yan. So, from 5,000, naging 10,000. This time, you will be ranked as an Emerald Manager. So, meron kang card plan na 60,000 cash for your down payment. Yan. From Emerald Manager, naging Sapphire ka, 25,000. Then this time, you will be able to enjoy a travel incentive trip to Thailand, good for 2. That would be 5 days and 4 nights. Then from Sapphire, Ruby Crown. Then meron kang travel incentive going to Japan or South Korea. So 6 days and 5 nights. From Ruby Crown, naging Diamond Supreme. This time around, you will be able to enjoy luxury items like Rolex, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, etc. No? So, yan. Pili ka lang, isa. Yan. So, here in LifeMax Global, as you build your network here, you have a chance na maging shareholder po kayo. So, this time, junior shareholder. As a junior shareholder, you will be able to enjoy the profit share, no? Plus, enjoy your down payment of your Montero Sports or any SUV or like Fortuner, no? 225,000 down payment. Then senior shareholder, meron kang profit share plus housing plan. Then major shareholder, company share plus travel incentive going to Europe. That would be good for 12 days and 11 nights. Yan. So kaya napakasulit, napaka-compensated, ano talaga, no? Enjoyable, memorable itong LifeMax Global pag siseryosohin natin gawing business ito. So sabi nga dito, the only possible journey is the one you never begin. If you think that this opportunity we have with LifeMax Global, nakita mo yung potential, nakita mo yung opportunity, don't second guess, don't delay, just decide. Then let's do this together and make this possible, no? Yan. So, by the way, before we will end, I would like to share to you the stockist program we have, no? So in LifeMax Global, so we have a sub-stockist package here, no? 250,000. Ito yung inclusion. We have 1 Infinity Pack, 1 Master Pack, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack. So ito po may mga codes. Then you have a rolling inventory of 80 boxes. Total worth of products, 336,000. So ito po yung stockist benefits. Every time you share, every service fee, no? Every time you serve, no? Meron kang 100 peso per box. So 5% of that, no? So one event support from the company, 10,000 peso, no? So lahat na makakuha ng sub-stockists, they have finder's bonus of 15,000 cash plus product support of 10,500. Yan. So stockist, City Stockist program, ito pag City Stockist ka, you're really exclusively on the particular city, no? So meron tong 2 Infinity Pack, 2 Master Pack, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack, no? So rolling inventory of 160 boxes, total product worth of 617,000. Meron kang service fee of 200 per box every repurchase with 2 event support, 20,000 peso plus finder's bonus sa lahat makakita 30,000 cash with product support of 21,000 pesos. Kaya hindi pa kasali dito yung referral bonus mo, no? Every once na ma-encode yung stockies. Yan. So, kaya here in LifeMax Global, I could say na talagang doable, talagang napaka-generous, and we could say talagang malaking chance na talagang kumita. If you walang pressure, no? We have a unique product, no? And masasabi nating sariling atin, no? So, isa 'yun sa mga edge, no? I know somehow yung mga iba dito matagal na rin sa industry, no? And I know pwede niyo ma-compare ito, and I could say that this opportunity we have with LifeMax Global, no? So, ang kagandahan dito, we're just starting, we're in pioneering stage, kaya naman napakalaki ng oportunidad na pwede nating ma-enjoy nitong LifeMax Global. So, this is just a matter of time. We know that somehow in the right time talagang magkakascade ito, puputok itong si LifeMax Global, kaya magkakaroon ito ng wave. So, sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, no? So I highly encourage you, no, na sabayan po natin ito, no? Sabayan natin ito because we are in pioneering stage, kaya napakalaking opportunity para sa atin. So that's it, no? So sa lahat ng nandito ngayon, sa lahat ng mga leaders, sa lahat ng mga guests, no? Maraming salamat, no? And God bless us all, and every Tuesday and Friday, mayroon po tayong mga Zoom meeting, and by next Tuesday, yes, ano na, Friday na yun, no? So Tuesday, grabe, no? So minsan nalilimutan ko na ang araw dahil actually kararating lang namin, no, sa galing sa event, no? We have kanina mayroon tayong mga dalawang big presentations, no, sunod-sunod, no, sa iba't ibang city 'yon. Then right now Zoom na naman, so grabe, no? So sabayan po natin yung momentum po natin, no? Talagang grabe, nakikilimutan na yung araw, no? Wow, wow. Yes, I have our core leader here, no? Isa sa mga top icon natin with me here beside me, no? Nandito ako hindi pa ako nakauwi, no? Nandito pa ako sa office ng Tagum. Kaya grabe, no? Sinabayan lang ako ni Sir Arnel, ang ating top leader, icon leader dito sa Tagum. Kaya naman talagang grabe ang trabaho, no? So yan. So once again, maraming salamat po. Back to you, Coach Bernie. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Thank God for that generous complan. Kaya pala umuulan na ng maraming infinity packs. So by the millions na ang sales natin, ha? Infinity pack
Yes.
pa lang yan. So, at siyempre,
Grabe.
Kap, ganun din sa pagdagsana, no? Unti-unting pagdagsana ng mga nag-a-avail na ng sub-stockist, and very soon sa city stockist. Kaya unahan nyo na, at baka maunahan pa kayo dun sa mga cities na iniisip nyo kayo yung makapag-close nun. So, ganun ho talaga, unahan dito, no? So, as per Captain Steve, Gerson Steve and advice, the key is the power of your 3 accounts. Who gets 4 accounts under them is the key. And based on the law of probability with proper duplication, you can earn, if you want, up to 8.5 million just on your 6th level. So you can do the math how to achieve it, no? So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Gerson Pareño, and of course, to all of you, dear partners and guests, for coming over. Pasensya na ho kayo, ngayon lang naman tayo na-delay, no? So, pero lagi po tayong regular na 8 p.m. So, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next exciting Zoom meeting. Basta po, every Tuesdays and Fridays yan, no? 8 p.m. And to God be the glory.